Hi there. Welcome back to my channel, my friends. If you are new to my channel, my name it is John. I am from Romania and I like to talk about online entrepreneur and make money online. Before I start talking about the strategy that I am about to share with you, I want to tell you that I am posting weekly videos in this topic. And before I start show you the strategy from today, I want to tell you, if you take a tour of my channel, you may find some things useful. You can help me with a like, and the algorithm of YouTube will show this video to some other people. Comment down below if you start make some money on the internet or not. You can consider subscribing with a bell notification on so I can alert you whenever I bring another value video to you. So you simply click on a view video to begin playing the real YouTube video. You will watch it for 30 seconds, and you will get points for every video, which you would then be able to change for genuine cash legitimately to PayPal or whatever installment alternative you like. So you will simply approach let me get something. You watch YouTube recordings each and every day, isn't that so? However, why not get paid for doing that? Get paid for accomplishing something you as of now do each and every day. Also, in the event that you believe that sounds excessively great, at that point tune into this. It's overall accessible. Truly, it doesn't make a difference where you're coming from. Also, what is far and away superior? Indeed, you can pursue free and bring in cash without contributing any. What's more, before the entirety of that, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you need to perceive how I personally make cash on the web. And don't stress, it's not MLM and it's not about offshoot showcasing. It really has something to do with YouTube. However, you don't need to be before a camera. You don't need to film your recordings, and it's not about YouTube advertisements. It's not about accumulations or whatever. It's extremely one-of-a-kind method to bring in cash on the web. You can become familiar with me by tapping on the primary connection in portrayal down beneath. Furthermore, all things considered, we will bounce straight into my PC so we can begin. Alright, how about we begin? So this will be the fundamental stage, the real site that will permit us to watch YouTube recordings and get focuses which we would then be able to trade for genuine cash. Yet don't click out in light of the fact that this won't be the main stage that we will be utilizing. There will be one thing that you should do so as to really change those focuses for a genuine cash. So I will clarify your beginning and end. Simply stay with me and I will give all of you the means that you have to take so as to bring in cash just by viewing these YouTube recordings. So this is as of now AdMeFast.com. This is simply one more web-based live commitment trade commercial center, which implies you can trade like YouTube sees, YouTube likes, Facebook likes, Facebook supporters and all that stuff, and you will see precisely how that will make you cash just by viewing YouTube recordings. Furthermore, don't stress, you don't have to have a marked YouTube channel. Do you have a great deal of supporters utilizing whatever, you can truly make a fresh out of the plastic new YouTube channel with no benefit picture, with zero below zero perspectives. You will in any case have the option to bring in cash just by viewing those recordings. At that point, obviously, you don't need to help any YouTube recordings on your YouTube channel or whatever. So don't get befuddled by that. Simply make a fresh out of the plastic new YouTube channel. On the off chance that you need to utilize that one, you will approach AdMeFast.com. You will click on Pursue Free. Presently directly here snap on that, they will give you that you should enter your email address. You will make a remarkable secret phrase and you will retype a similar secret word. You will tap on I'm not a robot and you will tap on sign up. Similarly, as you do that, they will send you an affirmation email and you will open up your email. It's most probable going to be in your spam organizer. So make a point to check your spam organizer also. What's more, it will look something like this. You will tap on click here to affirm and you will have the option to sign into your record. Let me presently rapidly sign into mine so you can perceive what it looks like. So this is the means by which it will look like within the dashboard. Furthermore, Like me and you, we can approach, add me fast quiet, and we can join in here. On the left hand side we can leave commitment to others, so we can leave Facebook likes, we can leave for instance Twitter devotees, you can tail them on Twitter, or we can tail them with TikTok etc. And consequently when we post our internet based life account on here by tapping on add website cut page, at that point others who model we post our Facebook photograph, others will like our Facebook photograph consequently. So it resembles like for like, it resembles follow for like, sub for sub and stuff that way. Be that as it may, you're not here to go like the preferences, isn't that so? You're not here to collab with Facebook likes, Facebook adherents, YouTube endorsers, or whatever. You are here to watch it. You will utilize and bring in cash off of that, right? It will. That is actually what we will be doing. So you are going to approach here, you couldn't care less about your online networking accounts. You're here to bring in cash, so you will simply look over a smidgen down and you need to discover this YouTube sees. Presently obviously you can do everything on here, so you can follow others on Instagram, also get paid for doing when we're concentrating on viewing YouTube recordings, and you will simply tap on YouTube sees directly here, you will tap on that. What's more, that is going to show this page directly here where you can see this video for 30 seconds and get 10 focuses. So I should simply tap on a view video directly here. I have to watch it for 30 seconds, I have to leave it, as should be obvious. Here's the counter should play for 30 seconds, and we simply need to sit tight for 30 seconds. I will speed it up the present moment. Furthermore, when it's finished watching, my focuses are going to refresh directly here, so you will have the option to see it. So allow simply burden to load. I first need to check that I'm not a robot, that occasionally will occur. So I'll click submit and you can see it will refresh focuses. Presently I can do it once more. I can tap on view video and I will get a few focuses for watching this video for 30 seconds. You can see it will refresh indeed. What's more, presently I can trade those focuses for either Facebook likes, Facebook shares, adherents, Facebook posts, lives, Instagram supporters, etc. So every one of these focuses that I gather by viewing YouTube recordings, I can trade for commitment on other online life stages. You will see precisely how that will make us cash. What's more, incidentally, they additionally have an extremely decent referral program here on the correct hand side. You can see this is your referral interface. You'll snatch it, and you can tell individuals that they can likewise join to include me quick. You can leave them your referral connect. Furthermore, on the off chance that they utilize your referral connect to join, you will get up to 9,999 focuses from that for one single individual, which is extremely crazy. Furthermore, here on the left hand side, you can likewise have a day-by-day reward. On the off chance that you click on the day-by-day reward, you can get day-by-day 500 and more extra focuses each and every day just by being dynamic on this stage. What's more, that will be accessible for you simply after the primary day of joining. So if this is your first day joining to promote them today, you won't have the option to get those day-by-day reward of 500 focuses yet. When you come tomorrow, you will have the option to snatch 500 focuses for nothing and to boost your outcomes. So simply return to YouTube perspectives and watch the same number of YouTube recordings as you can. Simply tap on view video, watch the video and gather those focuses, and I will tell you precisely the best way to transform them for genuine cash. In any case, before that, remember to watch this video, leave an approval since you realize they need to see you living preferences and remarks under my recordings. I realize that you are getting a charge out of them. Furthermore, I realize that you're getting an incentive out of my recordings, which is toward the day's end, the most significant part. So in the event that you do value me transferring day by day, bring in cash, online procedures, and day-by-day business thoughts, simply hit the like button, and subscribe to my channel. That is all I'm requesting. Furthermore, on the off chance that you have any inquiries or just need some assistance, consistently don't hesitate to leave a remark down beneath on the grounds that I will peruse those remarks and I will attempt to answer as quickly as time permits or when I see your remark. Furthermore, all things considered, indeed, when you gather those focuses, you can transform them, for instance for Facebook likes. Well, what you should do is you will simply head toward playerup.com, simply approach playerup.com. This is the commercial center where you can exchange, sell web-based live accounts in online networking commitment. So you need to look over right down and you need to discover a classification where it says every single other game cut commercial centers directly here. Click on that. Similarly, as you click on that, you will tap on the letter F, click on F directly here. Now the letter simply load. You need to discover Facebook. It's going to be directly here, Snap on Facebook, and you can see that on here we can purchase and sell these supporters, Facebook companions, Facebook likes, Facebook endorsers, perspectives, shares, etc. Yet we're concentrating on Facebook likes, Facebook adherents and Facebook shares. So on the off chance that I click on, for instance, Facebook loves directly here, you will have the option to see that individuals are selling, for instance, 300 Facebook likes for $5.50, and on the off chance that you really do a smidgen of research, you will have the option to see that different sites are selling Facebook likes for significantly more cash. So just by viewing those recordings on admefast.com you can get focuses which you would then be able to trade for Facebook likes, which you can sell for a considerable amount of cash. So in case you are selling 300 Facebook likes for $5, that implies you can sell 1,000 Facebook likes for over $15. And how it really functions: will you simply approach Mess About Quiet, you will join directly here, you will join and you will post your posting and somebody will pay you, for instance, straightforwardly to your PayPal account. They will pay you, for example, $15 to 1,000 Facebook likes, and they will give you their Facebook page URL or their Facebook post URL. You will simply snatch that connection of their Facebook page or their Facebook post. For instance, I'll simply head toward Facebook to show how it really works. You take an URL from Facebook page or pictures and go to admefast.com and click on add site or page and choose there what you want to give for money. And then click Save Changes. If you enjoy my videos, please hit that like button and comment down below what do you think about this strategy. Feel free to look around the channel and consider subscribing. Follow me on Instagram, work_smart not hard.